Okay, students, we're going to do another day of box plots and make sure you know what you're doing. It says a box plot shows a distribution of data values on a number line. The median divides the data in half. Quartiles divide the data into 4 equal parts. To create a box plot, you need 5 values: the minimum, the maximum, the median, the first quartile, and the third quartile. The 5-finger statistics, remember? Okay, so I'm going to cover that up and go down to problem number 1. The data set below represents the heights in inches of 11, so it's an odd number, of basketball players. We're going to fill in the blanks to order the data from least to greatest. Okay, so they said 71 was the least. They have it right here. I'm going to go over mine because I can't hardly see it. And then looks like it's going to be 73. Then I see a 74, a 76, 74, a 76. I see another 76. Then I see an 80 and an 81, an 80, an 81. I see another 81. I see an 83, another 83, and an 84. Okay. Fill in the blanks to order the data values from least to greatest. Then circle the minimum and maximum. So here's our min, here's our max. Label the median and the quartiles. So we had 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, we didn't have 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We had 11. So we've got 5 and 5. The 6th one's in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here's my middle. So there's the median. Okay. Now I'm going to leave that out because it's odd. I'm going to find the median again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'll put a box around it. So it's 74. That's Q1. And then I'm going to cover that 80 up. And I've got box around this is 83 is Q3. So we found the median of all the data. We have found the median of the bottom half and the median of the top half. Now we're going to make a box plot. Okay? Well, we need to go from 71 to 84. Let's see, if we started this at 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 80 if we go by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's 85. So 70, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here's 75 right here. So we'll let them all be ones. Label the number line with an appropriate scale. Plot the minimum. Well, we're 71. It's going to be right above that line right there. Where's 74? Well, this was 75, so this has to be 74. And then we got 80 is right here. And then we've got 83. 1, 2, 3 is this one right here. And then we got 84. It's just right there. Close up our box. Attach the lines. Plot the minimum, the maximum, the median, the first quartile, the third quartile. Draw a box. Draw horizontal segments. We did it all. Okay? It should get to be that easy for you. Number 3. I'm going to come over here, or right up here above where it says on the, to do it on the back, I'm going to list them in order. What's our smallest one? Looks like 13. And then 14. And then 16. I see an 18. 22. 27, 29, 33, 35, 41, 33, 40, excuse me, I said it right and wrote it wrong, 33 and 35 and 41. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Notice I always count my data. Always. Okay, so we know the minimum. This is a dot. Or this is a dot. We'll put it right here. Then we've got 10 pieces of data. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I need to find the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need to find the average right here to get my median. What's the average of 22 and 27? 22 plus 27 equals, divide by 2, 24 and a half. So this is 24 and a half is my median. Now, I'm going to cover up from the line left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'll put a box around this 16. It's my Q1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'll put a box around this 33. It's my Q3. It's the one in the middle. And I'll put a dot right here over the 41. So I need a number line that's going to go from about 10 to 50. A little below this and a little above this. 10 to 50. Now let's come right down here and do this. Alright, so we're going to start at 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. 45 will be good. Alright, so let's put a dot at 13. 13 is about half. Then we want a dot at 16, a line. My first line's at 16, a little past 15. And then at 24 and a half is almost to 25. And then at 33. And then at 41 is a dot. So I close up my box and attach my lines. And we've done the box and whisker. Minimum, Q1, median, Q3, maximum. What's my range here? The maximum minus the minimum. What's 41 minus 13? That's a question I could ask. What's 41 minus 13? So the range of this data is 28. All right, go to your vocabulary page. Teachers, you should think of questions that you could ask them about box plots. We're going to use the diagram to answer these questions. What type of diagram is shown? Box plot, that's what we've been learning. What's the minimum? What's the minimum? 7. What's the median? It's right here. 13. What's the maximum? It's right here. 22. What are the values of the first, second, and third quartiles? Go back up to your picture. Here's Q1, here's Q2, here's Q3. What's the values of the first quartile? 10. The second quartile is the same as your median, so it's 13. The third quartile is the end of the box, which is 15. This was Q1, this was the median, or Q2, and this was Q3. Ooh, what's the range? They ask it on this one. So the range is going to be 22 minus 7. So the range is 22 minus 7. So what is 22 minus 7? I think it's 15, isn't it? 15? Oh, here's a good question. Describe the distribution of the middle 50%. Well, the middle 50% goes from here to here. So it's from 10 to 15. So the middle 50% is from 10 to 15. And describe the scale used for the number line. I used, or they used, 6 to 23 to cover all the numbers. With equal increments. Classroom teachers, if your students do not know what the word increments mean, please explain it to them. Okay. Once again, we don't get good without practice. So here's what you're going to do today. Additional practice on 8.3 box plots. I need you to know and understand the 5 number statistics. Minimum, Q1, Q2, Q3, maximum. I need you to know that Q2 is the same as the median. I need you to know how to look at one and find the range. Pick out all the pieces of the box plot. Okay, practice, practice. Let's go. I'll see you next time.